This 25-watt power adapter mobile charger with Type C output not turning on. Let's see what's wrong here. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Friends, welcome back to my channel. If you don't have good experience in electronics, never try to repair because here are live voltage. Take care for the safety. 5 volt 3 ampere, 9 volt 2.77 ampere, 12 volt 2.08 ampere. It is fast charger. We will open from front side. Check DC voltage. It is safe. Input line, fuse of the resistor, bridge rectifier, this line from here, this line here after fuse, capacitor, second capacitor, this one, VCC capacitor here. These pins are ground pins, reaching to ground pin. SDC 5091D. Switching IC. Feedback pin. Ground. Okay. And these are drive pins. Diode, primary ground and drain pin. IC no short circuit. Good. Capacitor positive terminal reaching to transformer winding. Y. Primary winding, one end. Primary winding second end must be at this point. So this transformer open circuit. This is problem. Ground is reaching to this IC. This primary ground is reaching to this IC. After switching this IC, this ground will reach to primary winding here. Primary winding second end must reach here. Its winding is open circuit. We need to open the transformer. These 2 points are input terminals, primary side, and this is secondary side. This winding is giving continuity, but this winding is not giving continuity. Yes, is both pins are separated. Yes, this is the problem in this transformer. Now we need special care. These both pins are separated from this bobbin. Yes, this was the problem. This positive line was not reaching from this point to this point. Winding was open circuit. Now it is good. Its cold testing is now good. Now we will apply power. DC voltage. Yes, we have 5 volt. The problem? Its transformer primary winding was open circuit. Now this charger is working good. Yes, it is charging. Yes, now it is charging. Now I will pack it up. Yes, now it's good. It is now secured. You can see a very simple and unbelievable fault. Just only disconnection. Perfect. Now it is working good. If you enjoyed this troubleshooting, give a thumb up. If you have any question, please write in the comments. Thanks for watching. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.